Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage mobile applications with Firebase, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing mobile applications using Firebase, start by creating a Firebase account. Visit the Firebase website and click on the Get Started button. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, navigate to the Firebase console. Click on the Add Project button to create a new project. Enter a name for your project and select your Google Analytics preferences. Click Create Project to finalize the setup. After the project is created, click Continue to enter the Firebase dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the option to add an app. Select the platform for your application, Android, iOS, or web. Follow the specific instructions to register your app. For Android, you'll need the package name and a SHA-1 key if using authentication. For iOS, you'll need the iOS Bundle ID. After registering the app, you will be prompted to download the configuration file. For Android, this is the Google Services.json file. For iOS, download the Google Service Info.plist file. Add this configuration file to your app's project directory. Next, integrate the necessary Firebase SDKs into your app. For Android, update the build.gradle files as instructed. For iOS, use CocoaPods to install the Firebase SDK. Now, return to the Firebase console. Navigate to the Authentication section to set up user authentication methods. Choose the desired authentication methods, such as email/password or Google Sign-In. Save your changes to enable these options. Next, locate the database option in the sidebar. Choose between Firestore or real-time database based on your application needs. Follow the setup instructions to create a database. Consider setting up rules for data access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.